Can one blockchain really do it all? In the early days, Bitcoin and Ethereum stood alone at the center. But today, we live in a world of hundreds of blockchains, each with its own purpose, architecture, and community. What once felt unified is now fragmented. A collection of isolated islands, each powerful, yet disconnected. So how do we bridge these islands? That's the promise of the multi-chain era. In a multi-chain world, blockchains don't compete, they connect. Some are fast. Some prioritize security. Some power games, others handle DeFi. Each chain serves a purpose, but to unlock the full potential of Web3, they must work together. That's where cross-chain interoperability comes in. It's the technology that lets blockchains, regardless of how they're built, send assets, messages, and even smart contract calls across networks. Thanks to this, we're no longer confined to just one ecosystem. We're stepping into an open, interconnected blockchain universe. Web3 is the next version of the internet. Decentralized, user-owned, and borderless. No middlemen. No gatekeepers. Just people, data, and trust. But here's the challenge: blockchains are built differently. They use different consensus mechanisms, different security models, and speak different programming languages. A simple bridge won't cut it. So, how do we make them talk? Cross-chain interoperability comes in several forms, and each has its strengths and trade-offs. First, centralized bridges. A trusted operator holds your tokens and transfers them to another chain. Fast, but risky. If the operator is compromised, your assets are at risk. Second, decentralized messaging protocols. These allow chains to communicate directly, securely, and without a single point of failure. Third, native interoperability. Chains designed from day one to connect with others. A leading example, Cosmos IBC. IBC, or Interblockchain Communication, is Cosmos's protocol for seamless chain-to-chain communication. Think of it like a global airport hub, coordinating traffic between many destinations. Another powerful solution is LayerZero. It uses oracles and relayers to send lightweight messages across chains. Oracles fetch external data, relayers deliver the message between chains. Then there's Axelar. It connects EVM-compatible chains using general message passing. Not just moving tokens, but enabling apps to interact across networks with full flexibility. Emerging fast is zkBridge, which uses zero-knowledge proofs to validate messages without revealing private data. It offers both privacy and security at once. And don't forget Wormhole. Originally built for Solana, Wormhole now connects dozens of chains, forming the backbone of multi-chain dApp infrastructure. But even the best tech is meaningless if it isn't secure. In 2022, Wormhole was hacked. Nearly $300 million were lost. The lesson? Cross-chain interoperability must be not just fast, but safe. That's why the future is modular. Rollup as a service and modular blockchain architecture are changing the game. Rollups process data off-chain and send only the results to the main chain, saving time and gas fees. Modular chains separate key functions, like execution, consensus, and data, so they can scale independently and interconnect with others more easily. All of this is leading us toward the next evolution, the omni-chain era. Imagine using a single app that talks to 10 blockchains at once, without you even noticing. That's not science fiction. That's where we're headed. And this is the true goal of cross-chain interoperability. Not just bridges, but seamless experiences. Not just networks, but ecosystems that cooperate. In the near future, projects won't be stuck on a single chain. They'll move freely, choose the best environment, and deliver better apps for everyone. So the question is, will you understand this shift before it becomes the norm? Now is the time to position yourself. To build. To connect. Cross-chain interoperability. The bridge to the future of Web3.